All right, here I was working on a 2017 Jeep Grand Cherokee, and it had the code P0441, incorrect purge flow. Also P0456, small leak. And these are super common and super easy to diagnose. So you're gonna start off by removing this cover and taking out this 10mm bolt. I'd say about 95% of the time it's just a purge valve, faulty purge valve. So what you want to do is remove this connector and remove the hose down there. You just pinch the sides and it just comes out. And then what you're going to want to do is turn on the car and then see if you feel any suction coming out of the nipple from the purge valve. So put your finger on that, and if you feel suction, it's a bad purge valve, and it's that simple. Normally a purge valve is supposed to be closed, so when you disconnect it, it's going to remain closed. But if it's open and you feel suction, that's how you know it's bad. And try to test it when it's cold, because usually when it warms up, it starts to get a little better and you won't feel any suction. And I've gotten burned by that. Right here, it's barely sucking because the engine warmed up. But when it was cold, you can feel a strong suction. So be careful with that. And another warning, try to get an OEM part. This car had a dormant and it filled pretty quickly. And then they gave me a Continental to put on it, and they're okay, but like I said, OEM is always better. Even though they fill a lot, they'll probably last longer than the dormant or these aftermarket ones. So be careful with that. And if you have any questions, let me know.